Today, I want to show you something special. This beautiful hairstyle that a customer of mine showed me. But as I style this hair today, I want to share a story with you. A story that will remind us all about not giving up. Even when things seem hard or people don't understand your vision, stay with me to the end. I promise it will be worth it. Let me start by prepping the hair, just like I always do. Before we get into this style, let me take you back a little. I remember when one of my customers first came to me. She had an idea in her mind, an idea of how she wanted her hair to look. I could see the picture clearly, but trust me, some people thought it was too much. Waiting be this. Some even said it wouldn't suit her. Now, this customer was determined. She didn't listen to anybody's comments, no matter how negative. She said, "This is the style I want. I believe it. I believe it will look good on me." I admire her confidence, and it reminded me of a lesson I once learned. When you have a vision, only you can truly understand it. Others may not see it, but that doesn't mean it's not valid. Now I'm sectioning the hair and see how the parts are coming together. Just like life, sometimes in the beginning, things may look scattered, like these pieces of hair. You might have an idea or a dream, and it looks like nothing is working. Maybe people don't believe in you, and they start to discourage you, but you have to keep going. See, as I keep sectioning this hair, it's starting to look like something now, isn't it? Let me tell you a quick story that I think will inspire you. There was this young girl, let's call her Ada. Ada had a dream to become a fashion designer, but people around her didn't understand her vision. They told her, "Fashion in this country, how will you make it? Go and do something else." But Ada didn't give up. She continued drawing her designs, sewing clothes, practicing her skills every single day. At some point, even her own family started to lose hope, thinking she was wasting her time. But Ada didn't listen. Just like that, my customer didn't listen to those saying her style wouldn't look good. I'm halfway through the styling now. See how it's coming together. It's the same with life. You start something, people may laugh at the beginning because they can't see the final results like you can. But when you keep working bit by bit, things start to change, and all the pieces you've been working on will begin to fit perfectly. Just like this hair. Back to Ada's story. After some years of hard work, one day she got an opportunity. It was small at first, but Ada grabbed it with both hands. She designed a collection for a local fashion show. And guess what? People finally started to see what she has seen all along. They began to appreciate her work, her visions. Ada's dream slowly became her reality. And today, she's one of the top designers in the country. I'm adding the final touches to the hair now. Look how beautiful it's becoming. Isn't it amazing how something can start rough but end up looking flawless? Life is like that. Sometimes you'll be the only one who sees the beauty in your dream, the only one who believes in your journey. But that's okay. Don't give up. Just because other people don't see what you see, they are not supposed to see it the way you do. The vision was given to you, and it's your job to make it happen. Just like Ada, or like this customer who trusted her vision for this hairstyle. You need to trust yourself. Trust the process. Even if you fail once, twice, or more, keep pushing. Because when you succeed, the same people who doubted you will turn around and start praising you. Now, as you can see, the hair is finished and it's looking so gorgeous. It took time, patience, and focus, but in the end, the result is worth it. I hope today's story has encouraged you not to just to style your hair, but to never give up on your dreams. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, and follow for more. And remember, no matter how hard things get, never stop believing in yourself. Your dreams are valid. Till next time, stay blessed. Bye for now.